Well, off to work I go. It took me about 40 minutes to clean off the van, get everything warmed up. It's an old van, that's why. But we got a good 3 inches of snow tonight, last night. And I'll show you what it all looks like going to work and after work when the sun's out. Ah! Just kidding, just kidding. Yeah, it don't look too bad out. I'm going average about 30 miles an hour. Got a truck in front of me. We're getting ready to turn. Yeah, I'm thinking the kids might have some school today. They ain't gonna be too happy about that. Oh man, coming up on my hill, and the light is green. I am going through it. Heck yeah. Last video, I had to make a run through the red light. I wasn't stopping, I would have got stuck on the hill. Good to see the plows are out. But not too bad out here. Oh. Well, I made it, safe and sound. It's not too bad out, like I said. The only thing I hate about driving in the snow is on 2-lane roads. Well, this is what it looks like in southwest Ohio. Man, we just can't get a good winter. I'm wanting a blizzard. So I can just say, hey, I'm not going into work. And keep checking back. We're supposed to have another snowstorm, I think Thursday.